Welcome to the best remote work from home job just for you. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell because we have 5 to 7 job leads every single day here just for you. Hello and welcome to the best remote work from home job just for you. Today we have an opportunity from the company, the SFVU Business Group, and they're looking for an e-commerce specialist for Amazon or Walmart. It pays from $23,950 to $112,000 per year. The select candidate will be responsible for managing existing Amazon FBM listed items as well as building new listings, all on a flexible schedule from your remote location. If candidate has experience with doing the same within Walmart platform, opportunity exists to earn even more. The job type is contract. Pays from $23,000 all the way to $112,000 per year. Benefits include employee discount and flexible schedule. The schedule is self-determined schedule, and supplemental pay includes commission pay. Experience required at least 2 years of Amazon listing. It's fully remote. If you feel like you're the perfect candidate for this particular role, I'll put the link right in the description below so you can apply right away. But if not, it's okay. We're gonna have 5 to 7 job leads every single day on this channel. All you have to do is subscribe and hit the notification bell so you'll be one of the first notified to find the best remote work from home job just for you. Whether you're fed up with the office work lifestyle and you just want to work from home, or you're just looking for more freedom for you and your loved ones and family, work from home opportunities for you right here on this YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you get notified every single time we have a brand new work from home opportunity just for you.